Welcome back to AfrigaZone. Thank you again for clicking on this video. There's a valuable gem in this video I wanted to share with you. I'm thoughtful of you. You are on AfrigaZone, where we talk about the diaspora. We talk about how to invest smart. We talk about the return back to Africa, during the return, and beyond the return. Myself, I'm a part of the diaspora for about a generation. About a generation. I've done France, I've done Germany. I am now in the US since 2004 and preparing to come back home. Our homeland, our motherland, Africa, and specifically in Ghana. So we talked about how to invest back smartly, how to also transition well, how to avoid scam, because back home they can scam you emotionally, they can scam you physically, and they can scam you also mostly financially. Money, people will take your money and they will not get the job done. So today I'm just showing you how Ghana is becoming the metropolis of Africa, how Ghana has taken the shine from the nations like Nigeria, Rwanda, and South Africa. Why Global Citizen Festival is happening in Ghana. It just happened about a week ago. And this is how the hub of culture is seeing Ghana. If organizations, companies, the Western world are seeing Ghana in a certain way, we have to network and be able to know the season and the time for Africa and Ghana in West Africa at this time. Actually, I heard that reliable source that the stage is being built by Ghanaians, even though the finances are funded by Global Citizen, but the stage and then everything, the design, everything are done by Ghanaian. They are from the diaspora, they are locals, and many people who participated are part of also the diaspora. So you could see Ghana is becoming an ensemble and attractions. We must be prepared to be ready. Without the diaspora, without the African diaspora, Africa will not evolve to the next level. We have to stop, this about parties, NPP, NDC, and whatever. We have to see Ghana as a nation. We have to stop cancel culture, where this party or this president comes and achieves something, and then the next one comes and then cancel all the previous president has done. This is not about parties. This is not about political parties. It is about the nation of Ghana. We must cherish it. We have lived in the Western world. We learned a lot. We must choose to implement those things for us to evolve, for the nation. So that's what it is. We have to see it from the perspective of our next generation. So Global Citizen performance, include, many artists, many young artists that are taking also the culture to the next level. I want you to watch it until the end and let me know of your thoughts below in the comments. So right here, watch this video and I'm coming back at the end.
Commercial private jet terminal at the Kotoka International Airport and managed by McDan Aviation. Terminal began operations immediately after its launch on January 28, 2022. This comes after the McDan Group, owned by businessman Dr. Daniel McCorley, took delivery of a private jet back in September 2021 to kickstart operations for the aviation wing of his company, McDan Aviation. The company is said to have first received its operational license as Ghana's first base operator, FBO, back in 2019, offering business aircraft operators a secure and private alternative to the airport's main terminal for international travels. It is also reported that 3 private jets and 1 helicopter are available for business and individual perusal. He said every private jet flying into Ghana would have to pass through this terminal. He also highlighted the benefits of the facility to the country, emphasizing that its economic impact is enormous. He stated that the terminal will provide employment to over 400 people in the country once fully operational. Dr. McCorley described the establishment of the private jet terminal as an opportunity for businesses to thrive more in the sub-region and the continent as large. Traveling in Africa to certain places for businessmen, business executives are very difficult, very expensive, hence the need to open up this. When we talk about private jet terminal, it is a fixed-based operation, FBO. This is where you can walk in as a private person and pick a flight to anywhere you want, he pointed. The facility will include a VIP lounge, a presidential suite, a crew lounge, and flight planning office, as well as conference facilities and a hangar. It will also have facilities that will allow passengers and crew to complete customs and immigration procedures in the same building, in addition to a restaurant and in-flight catering. According to the executive chairman of McDan Group, the lounge of the terminal has a conference room for people who want to hold business meetings at the airport without necessarily heading into the capital city. The facility will make it easier for travels across the region and the world by businesses wanting to quickly close deals and get back home. Thanks for watching.
Wow, wow, wow. Wonderful people of the diaspora, in the diaspora. You saw it for yourself. It is not perfect, but it is in imperfection. I love it. I love what I saw. So let us be positive and let us go and then bring the perfection. The diaspora has the expertise, and without the diaspora, Africa will not evolve, will not emerge as it should be. Look at China, look at Singapore, look at Taiwan. They did it because of their diaspora, the innovative diaspora. And it is estimated that $4.1 billion has been sent by the diaspora in 2021. Now, I invite you to check it out. This land at OEB and Avery. If you like it, we will help you out with that. Thank you for watching, good people of the diaspora.